Are you selling your home and you need to buy a replacement home and you need the funds from the home you're selling to purchase another property? Sellers, right now here in the San Ramon Valley and Bay Area of California, we have very little inventory. Homes are selling like hotcakes and typically only take around 10 days to sell. They're selling with multiple offers and bidding wars. So many sellers are worried that they won't be able to find a replacement home, and this is a totally valid concern given the market. Hi, I'm Jason CASKIE with Coldwell Banker in Danville, and one solution that we can help you negotiate is a rent back on your property. You see, in a competitive market like we're experiencing right now, where sellers have so many offers to choose from, sellers are much less likely to take a contingent offer because there is a risk that the home the buyer is selling could fall out of escrow. This would cause the seller selling their home to have to find another buyer, and seller would lose money and waste time. So it's easier for them to accept a non-contingent offer. However, a solution for sellers who want to sell right now but are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home is to sell their home and do a rent back. So you may be wondering, what is a rent back? A rent back is when after you sell your home, you remain in the property. This way you have the funds to purchase a new home and you will be non-contingent, so your offer is much more likely to get accepted. This will take the worry and stress away. Now there are terms to navigate and negotiations that need to be considered to keep you safe, but after years of selling homes and helping so many sellers over the past 20 plus years, we've seen it all. So we know exactly what to negotiate and what needs to be considered on your behalf to keep you safe. So no need to worry. And this is just one of the many solutions that we have. There are many more solutions we have in helping sell your home and get you the home of your dreams, even with limited inventory. So give us a call. And don't worry, there is never any pressure or obligation in meeting with us. We're just here to help you navigate the best strategy when selling. As always, this is Jason CASKIE with Coldwell Banker in Danville. And remember, sell your home smarter. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and make it a great home selling and buying day. Thank you for watching. Take care.